Hello guys, so I was sent over this cutie patootie bag. It is a Hermes and it is an 18-inch lock and it is red and gold, and the company is Bestify RU. So when I received this, guys, it came in very quickly and it was very secure. So in this box, once I open it, I open up the pack and it had a bag inside of bag. I have already put the things on it, but it does come with a scarf, a charm, and all. Has your key and locket. So guys, this is a cute little bag. I love it. It also gives you your strap. If you carry a strap, this is perfect, but I like it with just the handles. So Bestify RU, thank you so much for sending over this bag to me. It is very cute. So go to their website down below. Hello guys, and welcome back to Vondessa J. Happy Sunday to you guys. So guys, today I am giving you a clean with me. This is my dining room. And also in my dining room, guys, I'm going to do my hardwood floors, clean my blinds. And if you know your girl, you know your girl. I hate baseboards, but who's going to do it? So that's me. So I'm going to clean my baseboards, get all of that good stuff done. And then, guys, I'm going to show you my dining room table now. If you're an OD but a goodie, you know it was cherry, then I painted black, then I did it a whitewash. Well guys, I have totally changed it. I have sanded down, so I have a new color for my dining room table base, and also the chairs will be matching. After that, guys, we're going to go ahead and put a little decor together for the spring summer. So guys, if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting on? Your girl over here will love for you to be a part of the VeeHive. It is absolutely free, so just scroll down, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you closer to the end.
Stay and listen, you will find everything ain't rocket science. Every dim is not a diamond, but the pressure will make you big. Somebody give me, somebody tell me the answers. Me and you isn't the answer. Me and you isn't. Maybe I'm telling myself that, but there ain't nothing that'll change that. What good would it be if I knew how you felt about me? Yeah. It could have been right, but I was wrong. Only think about you and you alone. Part of me that cared is gone, and I know that I can't get caught up. We could have been, and we try to pretend every now and again. We don't dream about, don't think about what we could have been. No, I'm holding again, cause I know in the end, dream about, I think about what we could have been. We could have been, we could have. Remember the night in Miami, first time you put your arms around me. I'm up reminiscing, thinking about you isn't helping. Thinking about you doesn't tell me what good it would do if I decide to face the truth. It could have been right, but I was wrong. I only think about you and you alone. Only hit me up when she's not home, and that's why I can't get caught up. We could have been, and we try to pretend now and again. We don't dream about, don't think about what we could have been. Oh, yeah. I'm holding again, cause I know in the end, you dream about, I think about what we could have been. We could have been, we could have been.
With somebody, if you gotta hide it, what's the point of trying? I ain't just your friend, no, what's the point of lying? Trying to sell a story, ain't nobody buying. Look me in my eyes, don't that feel nice? Why should it end? Baby, I could've been, should've, could've, would have been. Hey. Yeah, would have been. Yeah, would have been. Yeah, would have been.